See, it's not a problem for me to imagine the thousand-petal lotus. To imagine that light that permeates that is everything, coming down and permeating this human form. The imagination is fine, but the practical nature of this, of bringing that imagination down into a cellular feeling in every part of this human form, has to understand that imaging. And that's the intensity of this practice. The focal point has to be to that level. Set it with your breath. Always go back to the basics. The solar plexus. Always go back to the heart center itself. Set the form into the formless. That relationship between what we'll call the logical mind and the infinite reality, that nexus point, that point of awareness. Establish it in your biological, psychological way of being yourself, of inhabiting your body. Move with the energy. Let the energy. This, of course, is the Kundalini Mata Shakti, you understand. This is the evolutionary aspect of consciousness trying to express itself in this human form. What else could it be? The parameters of communication, the limitations of all of our conditioned mind spaces, the predetermined vectors just of that conditioning. It's important for me to take a step as far as I can away from that conditioned mind, back to a primal form of consciousness, just being, but feeling it on a cellular level. And then just allowing that sense of fulfillment, of light, to actually permeate every part of my being. And that's it. That's the truth right there. Allow yourself the grace of yourself to be yourself. The radiance of consciousness seems like the only response I can make anymore to myself. Sanam.